In today's video, I will be showing you how to autofill your rows here in Google Sheets. So we've already done a lot of videos on how we can autofill our data, but that's usually with our columns. Well, autofilling your rows is also quite easy. Let's say I have the date right here. I'm just going to use a keyboard shortcut to insert the date, and that's going to be Control and semicolon. There you have it. We have the date right here. And let's say I want to fill the rest of my cells right here on the top row. What I'm going to do is to drag this bottom right corner right here of that cell to the right. So if I drag it, there you have it. We have filled this first row right here with the dates by just dragging that bottom right corner to the right. We can also do this with our numbers. Let's say we have a sequence right here. There we go. Again, select that entire sequence, then drag that bottom right corner to the right, and there you have it. Now, you can also do this with your formulas. Let me just do another sequence right here. Select that, drag the bottom right corner to the right. There we go. If I were to, let's say, multiply this row to this row and get the result right here, so that's going to be equal sign. This one multiplied to this one, press enter, there you have it. You'll see that this is a formula right here. Now, if I drag this to the right, I would have autofilled that row with the same formula by just, again, dragging it to the right. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to autofill your rows, whether those are dates, sequences, or formulas. That's how you're going to do it here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.